Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. As you can tell from the title, I am doing a review on Renfio glitter. I'm so excited. I actually recorded this video once and I accidentally deleted it, so now I'm doing it again. Anyway, you guys know that I'm a little, I don't know what you want to call me, but if you know, you know. Anyway, thank you guys so much for coming and checking out my haul / review of Renfio glitter. They reached out to me and I'm so excited they did because I'm really pleased with this glitter. But before we get into the video, make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Make sure you give me a big old thumbs up. If you want to follow me on social media, the link is in the description, and let's get into it. This is what they come like, some of them in the boxes like this, and these are actually shaker bottle ones. And then I have these ones that come in the pouch. As I said, I opened them because I already did this video. And yeah, let's not even get into it. This one is actually ultra fine black. I really like this black. It comes in a shaker bottle. It has the shaker and also has an area for spoon. See that like sparkle? So pretty. Okay, let's spread that out a little bit. And that's so pretty, guys. If you like that, this one here is the light purple actually, and this is ultra fine glitter. It's so pretty. This one also is shaker and spoon. Oh my god, that's so pretty. And that shine is everything. You see that? It is so stinking pretty. I love it. This one is called Ocean Blue. It's a little bit dark, so I don't know. Everybody sees the ocean differently. But this is amazing. This is kind of chunky. It's got like a hot what did I say? Octagonal shape to it, or pentagonal shape. I'll show you. Okay, so this is what the Ocean Blue looks like. Sorry for the noise in the background, guys. Try not to pour too much of it out. But I have it on this piece of paper so I can just like easily put it back in the jar. So yeah, isn't that so pretty? I've been looking for glitter like this. I don't know how much money I've spent on glitters that work but don't really work for me. Because when I use glitter, I'm looking for a shine like this. This is so pretty. I'm so glad they reached out to me. And yes, my voice is going in and out, sorry. But as you can see, like I was saying, it's got like a octagon. Is that octagon? I don't know. I've been out of school for many years, guys. This one is really, really pretty. It's like an iridescent, but it's called Flamingo Opal. And it's kind of iridescent, if you can see that. Can you guys see that? Oh, look at that. It's so pretty. Flamingo Opal. Let me get it out of the crease a little bit so you guys can kind of see that. It's kind of getting whitewashed with the light, but it's really, really pretty. This one here is called, it's just called Purple, and this one is fine glitter. But you can kind of see that. Oh, look how pretty. Can you guys see that? That's really pretty. And this, I absolutely love. If you know me, you know I'm obsessed with any kind of Disney characters, especially Mickey and Minnie. And this is Little Mouse ears. And this one is actually called Laser Silver. And it's Mickey Mouse, obviously. But I cannot wait to use this. And that's what these little Mickey Mouse heads look like. It's so cute. And you can see the like iridescence in there. So pretty. Okay guys, I want to thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you liked my glitter because I love it and I can't wait to use it. Again, the company is Renfio and they are on Amazon. So go ahead and check them out. I will leave their link below in the description so you can order some glitter for yourself. Tell me which one of the glitters was your favorite. I can't even choose. I just love all of them so much, but I think my absolute favorite is that blue and the Mickey Mouse ears, of course, but well, heads, not just the ears, it's the Mickey Mouse heads. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. And again, if you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. If you like this video, make sure to give me a big old thumbs up. Also, check out my Nika's Life channel. I will be posting on there again, just not regularly. And you will find out why with the next video I post on that channel. So stay tuned and check out my social media because I do post on like Instagram and TikTok a little bit more often than I post here. So yeah, if you have any questions or comments, leave them below and I will see you guys next time. Bye.